Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming this is an Ipod Touch 4th generation and note the current iOS. Back up everything to your computer. Once done, make sure iTunes or Finder has the backup verified. Download the correct iOS 7 IPSWA file for the iPod 4 model and store it in a known folder. Put the device into DFU mode now. This is essential because recovery mode is unreliable for older firmware restores. These steps set the stage and prevent data loss or mismatched firmware errors. With the iPod in DFU and iTunes or Finder showing a recovery prompt, you will initiate the restore. Hold Option on Mac or Shift on Windows while clicking Restore, then select the iOS 7 IPSWA file you downloaded. The tool will verify the package and start writing the firmware. This can take several minutes. Monitor progress and make sure your computer does not sleep. If you see verification errors, stop and re-download the IPSWA. Corruption is the most common middle step failure. After the restore completes, the iPod will boot into iOS 7 and present setup screens. You can restore your backup from iTunes or set up as new. If the device gets stuck on the Apple logo or recovery loop, first try the DFU restore again. Make sure to use a known good USB cable and a direct computer port. If errors persist, re-download the IPSWA and update iTunes. Compatibility or corrupt IPSWA files explain most failures. This troubleshooting
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.